Hello everyone, it's LasithKArt in our next painting video, and today I'll be doing another video in my Sri Lankan acrylic painting series. Now today I'll be painting a beautiful beach scene at LasithKArt in Sri Lanka. I hope you enjoy the video. So first of all, I'll start out by applying cerulean blue into the corners of the sky and working my way down towards the center of the canvas. And then I'll apply a dark near ultramarine blue along the horizon line and working my way towards the foreground, getting redder in color as I come towards the foreground. Now I add the foam on the water using a lightish blue and white. And then I add the foam closest to the foreground using acrylic white. And then I'll paint the sand using a light golden brown so it stands out against the waves. Next, I'll add the distant coconut trees using light shades of brown for the trunks and light shades of green for the leaves. Finally, then I'll fill in some foliage in the background. And then I'll add some people in the distance and some distant rocks. And to finish off, I'll paint over the beach and the foam using oils. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this video, and I hope you all really enjoyed it. Now the name of this painting is Golden Shores of LasithKArt Beach. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to check out my Instagram and Google Plus at LasithKArt. And I hope to see some of you guys in my future videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.